Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you oven roasted black pepper leg quarter. It's going to be juicy, moist and tender. 6-pound leg quarters. These leg quarters has a lot of fat. All the leg quarters, I removed the skin, I trimmed the fat and I washed with the cold water. I'm going to share with you what other ingredients we needed. 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, each of them half teaspoon. Get a mixing bowl. Going to bring all the spices. We're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, that's going to be our marination. I'll get the cutting board and we're going to make nice cut. One this way, and one on this side. And then we're going to turn around and we're going to make cut on this side as well. And we're going to put it into our marination masala. So I'll do the same thing. 2 deep cut, 1 sideways. And I'll finish all of these. Now we're going to marinate with our masala. So make sure that all the pieces are nicely coated. All the masala goes inside the cut. All the pieces are nicely marinated. We're going to let it sit on a countertop for 1 hour. Our chicken leg quarters has been marinated for 1 hour. Get the tray. And I'm going to place the chicken leg quarters on top of it. These are huge, big, jumbo size. And now we're going to take this one into our oven. Oven is preheated at 500 degree Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to turn the light on. You can see my tray is filled with the water and it's hot and boiling. Our tray is ready. Be careful, please. When you open it, it's going to be hot. So don't burn yourself. I'm going to place the tray on top. And I'm going to close it and we're going to come back after half an hour at 8:58. It's 8:57. It's exactly cooking for 29 minutes. Since these are big leg quarters, I'm going to turn them over and then we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. So as you can see, it's looking nice. It's 8:58, exactly half an hour. So be careful when we're going to open it because it's really hot. Really quickly, I'm going to turn them over. Wow, look at this. These pieces are huge, big. When we're cooking with the water, you don't have to turn the chicken over. Only, like I mentioned, these are big leg quarters. And one more. This is looking good. And I'm going to close it. It's 8:58. We're going to give additional 10 minutes on bake at 500 degree Fahrenheit. After turning the chicken over, we cooked additional 10 minutes. Looking really nice. And I'm going to turn the oven off. And we're going to let the chicken rest for 10 minutes. It's 9:18 and now I'm going to open it. Be careful, it's still hot. Our leg quarters, wow, looking delicious. It's a super juicy, super moist. Wow, look at this. And if we look at under the tray, all the water is still there. All the fat drained into the pan. And now we have a healthy chicken. Our black pepper leg quarters, they're all ready. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.